Let's play with the colored surprise eggs.
Choo-choo!
Stop the train, Cuquin.
Oh!
1, green. 2, blue. 3, orange. Shall we open the surprise eggs? It's a green egg. Open it, Cuquin.
Wow!
Harder, Cuquin. Shall we open it on 3?
Yay!
1, 2, 3! It's a red egg. All right, Cuquin. Let's open the egg. Open. 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 Surprise! It's a cow.
And on his farm there was a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. All made
Bravo! What does a cow say? Let's go for another surprise egg.
Wow!
It's a blue egg. Open it, Cuquin. 1, 2, 3. It's a yellow egg. All right, Cuquin. Let's open the egg. Open. 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 Surprise! It's a sheep.
And on his farm there was the sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Only
Bravo! What does a sheep say? Let's go for another surprise egg.
Wow!
It's an orange egg. Open it, Cuquin. 1, 2, 3. It's a pink egg. All right, Cuquin. Let's open the egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! It's a pig.
And on his farm there was a pig. E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink.
Bravo! What does a pig say?
Oink oink.
How fun! Which animals have we played with?
A cow. A sheep. A pig.
Oh?
Ouch! Huh? Big. Huh? Ah! Balls! Huh? Careful! Oh. Huh? Mine. Boo! Panda bag! Yellow ball. Huh? Oh. Oh, panda bag. Yay! Oh. Aha! Ha! Blue ball. Oh. Red ball. Aha! Big! Yay! Oh? Huh? Oh? Oh! Vroom, vroom. Broken. So big. No car? Huh? Yay! Huh? Red balls! Huh? Yay! Whoa! Orange balls! Oh, ha! Whoa! Orange! More! Yay! Whoa! Yellow balls! Huh? Ah! Yellow! More! Yay! Huh? Whoa! Green balls! Huh? Ah! Green! Red, orange, yellow, green! Pull! Yay! Ah! Oh! Ah! Ah! Pull! Ah! Pull! Ah! 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 Oh! Huh? Wow! Oh. Wow! Sunscreen? Oh! that red ball. Huh? Yellow ball? Oh! Wow! Swimming mask! Yay! Yay! Swim! Let's play! Red! Red Play-Doh! Woohoo! Rocky, no food. Play-Doh. Ah! Red Play-Doh heart. No, mine. Oh. Wow! Big red pony! Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom. More, more. Oh? Yellow! Oh! Yellow Play-Doh! Yellow Play-Doh star! No food! Oh! Ah! Wow! Ah, very big yellow pony! Yay! More, more! Green! Green Play-Doh! Green Play-Doh cube! Oh! Oh? Huh? Wow! Super big green pony! Oh, yeah! Woohoo! More, more! Blue! Huh? Oh! Blue Play-Doh! unicorn! Let's fly! Big red pony! Very big yellow pony! Super big green pony! Blue giant ponycorn! Yay! Vroom, vroom, ha! Whoa! Wow! So big! Hi, baby bus! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Hi, pig! Orange balls! Beep, 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 all through the town. Oh! Orange bus! Ha! Giant carrots! Bye, pig! Oink, oink! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Hi, Ducky! Green balls! Beep, 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 all through the town. Green bus! Giant broccoli! Bye, Ducky! Ha! Ha! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Hi, sheep! Red balls! Jump! Blink, 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 all through the town. Red bus! Ha! Giant tomato! Bye, sheep! Orange carrot! Green broccoli! Red tomato! Yay! Choo-choo! Move fast, little train! Hey! It's mine! No! Huh? Wow! It's so big! Mine! Huh? It's broken! Thank you, Ghost! Look over there! It's full of blue eggs!
Fill your train with happiness and with fancy bluish things. Shall we fill the fancy with your train? Fill your train with happiness and with fancy bluish things. Shall we fill the fancy with your train?
3!
Fill your train with happiness and with fancy things. Shall we fill the fancy rainbow with your train?
Hello, Blue Egg! Come with us! Ah! Wow! Oh! Huh? Huh? Cool! Time to eat your carrots. No, no, no. I want candy. No, no, no. Sweet and yummy carrots are so good. They have some sugar that's good for you. Time to eat your carrots. Yes, yes, yes. I love carrots and I... Yay! Goodbye! Thank you, Ghost!
Fill your train with big and fancy greenish things. Fill your train with big and fancy greenish things. Fill your train with happiness.
Look over there! It's
Fancy
full of
greenish
green
things.
eggs!
Shall we fill the fancy rainbow with your train? Fill your train with big and fancy bluish things. Fill your train with big and fancy bluish things. Fill your train with happiness and with the fancy things. Shall we fill the fancy rainbow with your train?
Bye! Hello, Green Egg!
Huh? Cool! If I'm disgusted, gusted, gusted, I say ew, 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 ew. If I'm disgusted, gusted, gusted, I won't eat any snack, 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 snack. Ew, 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 ew. Wah, 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 wah. Yay! Goodbye! Thank you, Ghost.
Fill your train
Look
with
over
bacon
there!
and fancy
It's
yellow
full of
things.
yellow eggs.
Fill your train with bacon, fancy yellow things. Fill your train with happiness and with fancy yellow things. Shall we fill the fancy rainbow with your train?
2, 3, 4.
Fill your train with happiness and with fancy fancy things. Shall we fill the fancy rainbow with your train?
Hello, Yellow Egg. Come with us. Ah. Wow. Oh. Huh? Huh? Cool.
There were 10 eggs in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one egg fell out. 9.
Yay! Goodbye. Thank you, Ghost. Look over there! It's full of red eggs!
Fill your train with bacon, fancy red things. Fill your train with happiness and with fancy red things. Shall we fill the fancy rainbow with your train?
2, 3,
Fill your train with bacon, fancy red things. Fill your train with bacon, fancy red things. Fill your train with happiness and with fancy things. Shall we fill the fancy rainbow with your train?
hello, Red Egg! Come with us! Ah! Wow! Oh! Huh? Huh? Cool!
Baby, baby, yes, sister, eating cake, no, sister, telling lies, no, sister, open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Yay! Goodbye! Goodbye, little train! Oh? Ah. Car! Ah, ah. Frogs! Pig! Cat! Sheep! Oh, tiger! Zebra! Monkey! Lion! Huh? Oh! Oh! Oh, more cars! Car? Yay! Triangle! Not circle, triangle. Wow! Huh? Yellow car!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through town.
More! Square! Wow! Huh? Red car!
The horn of the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
More! Circle! Not green, blue circle. Wow! Blue car!
The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the the bus go blink, blink, blink all through the town.
More, more! Boom! Green pentagon! Oh. Green, yay! Wow! Huh? Green car!
His friends go up and down, up and down, up and down. Cuquin and his friends go up and down, all through the town.
Yellow car! Red car! Blue car! Green car! Ha! Huh? Oh, balloons? Huh? Orange balloon. Hi, Ghost. Baby shark. Oh. Huh? Orange baby shark. More, more. Green balloon. Huh? Hi, Ghost. Baby shark. Whoa. Green baby shark. More, more. Pink balloon. Hi, Ghost. Baby shark. Whoa. Pink baby shark. More, more. Yellow balloon. Hi, Ghost. Baby shark. Oh. Yellow baby shark. More, more. Welcome, Mama Cat. Care for some delicious tea? Oh, no! Mama Cat's kittens have all gone missing, and she can't find them anywhere. Do you know who can solve this case? Strawberry Detective! Strawberry Detective, where are you? Helping my friend, that's what I do. Don't worry, Mama Cat. Tomato will find your kittens with his super smell. Great job, Tomato! You found them! Hey, little kittens! It's playtime! Come down! Oh no! The kittens are afraid of heights. Don't you worry, little kittens. We'll help you. Aha! Let's make the best pool party. Jump, little kitten! Jump! Jump, jump, little kitten! You did it, little kitten! Yoo-hoo! You did it! You did it! Jump, little kitten! Jump! Jump! Jump, little kitten! You did it, little kitten! Yoo-hoo! You did it! You did it! Jump, little kitten! Jump! Jump, jump, little kitten! You did it, little kitten! Yoo-hoo! You did it! You did it! You know what, Tomato? This pool party is the best party ever. And the cow says moo! Hi, kids. Let's play with the colored surprise egg. 1 orange, 2 pink, 3 yellow. Oh! Huh? Cuquin, no! Oh! Huh? The eggs are lost. We need to find them. Oh! That's an orange fish. Try again. It's the orange egg. Let's open the egg. Open, open, open! Surprise! Yay! It's an orange cat.
And on this farm there was a cat, E-I-E-I-O, with a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here meow, there meow, everywhere meow meow. Old MacDonald.
Bravo! What does the cat say?
Meow.
Let's go for another surprise egg.
Yay!
There are 2 eggs left. Where could they be?
Huh? Oh.
That's a pink dinosaur.
Huh?
Try again.
Oh.
It's the pink egg. Let's open the egg. Open, open, open. Surprise!
Doggy,
It's a
yay!
pink dog.
And on his farm there was a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere woof woof. Old MacDonald.
Bravo! What does the dog say?
Woof woof.
Let's go for another surprise egg.
Yay!
There's 1 egg left. Where could it be? That's a yellow mouse. It's the yellow egg. Let's open the egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! It's a yellow chick.
Yay! And on his farm there was a chick, E-I-E-I-O, with a tweet tweet here and a tweet tweet there. Here a tweet, there a tweet, everywhere a tweet tweet. Old MacDonald.
Bravo! What does the chick say?
Cheep cheep.
How fun! What animal